Ancient Egyptian edition. 8 put together with 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to find the hand. Ancient Egyptians named quantities according to groups. They had two major groups. One was called a palm and one was called a hand. They had different number systems or polymath systems, which would determine whether or not a quantity what quantity, whether the hand or the palm should be used. 4 is a palm, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4 ungrouped. The way you would group it is just draw a horizontal line. And this 4 is also 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a horizontal line. So horizontal lines were often used for grouping, and the ancient Egyptians would group different values, but the most common was the group of 4. And then we have 5, which is called the hand. So you can, fractions of 5 would be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. To group the 5, you would draw a palm, which is 4, and then you would simply add a thumb to the bottom of it, which is a hand. Now you can add everything together. So now you can see visually, ancient Egyptians would quickly see and count the groups, and this was called the hieratic numbers, and this is the basic Medu-Neter numbers. So notice these fractions are very good for early learners because they can count them. So if we wanted to go through and count, to add everything up, we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which is the answer. So in our bits column, because we use Bitric, the Bitric measurement and number math system, we would write, in our units or bits column, we would write 3, and then in our tens column, we would write 1, representing one group of 10. Now, the way ancient Egyptians would have done it, again, they could have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they see that 8 plus 2 is 10. Again, this is excellent for early learners to start understanding conceptual understanding. And then they could see 1, 2, 3 bits were left. And the way ancient Egyptians wrote the value was 10, was a house of 10, where if you have an Nguni house or an arched doorway, it represents entering in a house. That's a house of 10, and then they would have 3 units left. 10, 1, 2, 3, 13. Another way you can do it when you get more advanced, you'll understand that you're able to quickly visualize that 4, 8, and another 4 is 12, which means you can see that you have 12 plus the thumb, which is 1. And this is ideal for using a different measurement system, like a Bitric 12 system, where you could say that you have 1 foot and 1 inch.